Hi, good evening, everyone. There is good news for 2020 and 2021 pass out students. Wipro is hiring 2020 and 2021 pass out students through off-campus drive, Wipro Elite off-campus drive. It has announced a Elite off-campus drive for the students of 2020 and 2021 pass outs. So let us see what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this off-campus drive. Now it has announced, Wipro announced the NTH off-campus drive for 2020 and 2021 pass out students. And the eligibility is BE, BTech, ME, MTech of all branches except fashion technology and textile technology. Students of other branches, all branches are eligible here. Okay, and the educational requirements are in 10th, students having 60% and above, in 12th standard 60 and above, and in graduation also 60 and above are eligible. And the selection process will be through online assessment test. And the online assessment test then followed by technical interview, then followed by HR interview. This is the selection process of Wipro off-campus drive for the students of 2020 and 2021 pass outs. So how to register? Where to register? Okay, so this is the registration link to register for this drive, 2020 and 2021 students. And last date not yet mentioned in their website. Okay, so still you have time to apply for this. And online assessment test also tentatively in the month of October they may conduct, or November they may conduct. Okay, so this test will be conducted by the Wipro. And the section wise pattern for online assessment test. So online assessment test contains 3 sections. The first one is aptitude test or aptitude section. Second is written communication test or written communication section. Then third is online programming section. So aptitude section contains questions related to logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal. And the duration for this is 48 minutes. And written communication, this is essay writing test, is 20 minutes duration. Then the final important section is online programming test. Okay, so 2 programs for coding will be given to you, and you need to write code for these 2 programs within a time span of 1 hour, 60 minutes. Then the total duration for this test will be 128 minutes. So students, hurry up. We are going to start online training classes on coding, and our online classes will begin from 2nd October 2021. Hurry up. And timings for these online training sessions will be every day from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And the registration fee is 500 rupees. And you can pay using Paytm on this number, or using PhonePe, you can pay on this number, or you can also pay using net banking on this account number with the IFSC code, and all these details I have provided here. By using any one of these, you can pay the registration fee for these online training classes. Once after paying the fee, don't forget to fill the Google form, and this is the link for the Google form. And also join the WhatsApp group so that you can get all the updates on this WhatsApp group. Once you complete the registration process, and this is the reply you will get from Wipro. event elite off campus for the year 2021. Okay, so requisition ID 2021 followed by a 7-digit code you will get here, and will get a message your application was submitted successfully. Thank you for applying. So once you get this message, your registration process is completed. Now, if you go back to their website, this is the registration link for registering in the Wipro website. So yeah, this is the link. Now let me open the link and let me show the web page of Wipro. So Wipro Careers, here you will get a page showing event elite off campus for the year 20 and for the year 21, 2020 and 2021 batch students. And see here, job description 2020 and 2021 batch talent hunt. And this is exclusively for these 2020 and 2021 batch students. Eligibility criteria, year of passing, he has mentioned clearly in their website 2020 and 2021. Okay, so then designation is project engineer, and compensation, everything they have given here. Okay, selection process, as we mentioned, so it contains 128 minutes containing 3 sections: aptitude test, written communication test, and online programming test. So you can choose either C, C++, or a Python or Java. So any of these 4 languages you can choose to complete your coding questions. Then after completing your online assessment test, you need to go through a technical interview and followed by HR interview. So all the details are mentioned in their website clearly. Go through the information given in the website, and once you click on this apply button, okay, so there is a apply button here. You need to click on this apply button. Then it asks you to enter your email. Once you enter your email, then it asks all the details of the students. So you enter all your details, and once you complete this registration process, as I said, this is the message you will get. Your application was submitted successfully. So friends, please hurry up. We are going to start online classes exclusively for coding. There are 2 questions in coding, and we will train you how to write programs for these 2 questions, because it is the crucial section containing 1 hour, and you need to get through in every section. Students, hurry up. We are going to start from 2nd October, every day from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Thank you, one and all.